What does most pranayama exercises have in common? Let's take a couple of examples. Ujjayi breath. We restrict the exhalation by contracting the back of the throat. We prolong the exhalation and the whole cycle in this way. Samavriti, which can develop into box breathing. We inhale and exhale for the same length of time. Over time, the breath holds can also become of equal length, so we end up in box breathing. And Surya Bredana, we breathe in from the right and we breathe out from the left. Nadi Sodhana, we breathe in from the right, out from the left, in from the left, out from the right, while we are closing one nostril at a time. What do you see as a pattern in all of these exercises? The breath becomes slower. We don't use the mouth in any of these, and over time, as we build that up and the holds become, and the inhalations, exhalations become longer, this breathing cycle becomes more and more long. Ultimately, we can end up taking 1 breath per minute. Now, this is for people that have a lot of experience, but one thing that you want to be considering here is that while the breath duration is getting longer, we are also reducing the volume of breath. And for that, I have one suggestion for you. You don't need to be practicing these breathing exercises. Actually, you may not have the time to do so. Why don't you take the opportunity and start reducing the volume of the air that you're taking in now? And indirectly, you will be achieving the same effect that a lot of these breathing exercises are aiming to achieve, to reduce the volume of air that you're breathing in and out. And this, I promise you, will end up having a knock-on effect into the mental state that you are and feel calmer and more centered.